This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable low power mode on an iPhone. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my iPhone now. To enable or disable low power mode, what low power mode does, it reduces your screen's brightness, it reduces background activity, and may even reduce your data speed. The way to enable it or disable it, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to tap on Settings. Then you want to scroll down to where it says Battery and tap on Battery. Then you want to scroll down a ways. And right here is low power mode. As you can see, I currently have mine disabled, but to enable it, you would just toggle this on, and to disable it, you would toggle it off. That is how to enable or disable low power mode on an iPhone. Thanks for watching.